BISSELL Featherweight Stick Lightweight Bagless Vacuum, 2033, one size fits all, blue. The Featherweight Lightweight Stick Vacuum gives you convenient and effective cleaning on carpets, area rugs, bare floors, stairs, upholstery and more. It easily converts from a stick vacuum to a hand vacuum to clean anywhere in your home. Because the Featherweight is ultra lightweight and compact, it is easy to use and easy to store. Power source, corded. Power rating 2 amps. Powerful, convenient, and easy to use. Powerful suction makes it great for quick pickups with multi-purpose versatility. Versatile cleaning 3 machines in one, a stick vacuum, handle vacuum, and stair vacuum. With a crevice tool for furniture and a floor nozzle for stairs. Clean hard floors and surface dirt on carpets and area rugs. Surface. Tight countertops, sealed hard floors, low pile carpet. Dirt cup capacity, 0.67 liter.